Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a short video reviewing some more imported tooling from a company called Banggood. This time I've got to review some 16mm square lathe tooling and some tips. I want to make one or two things perfectly clear before we start. The first thing is Banggood don't make lathe tools. Banggood import them from China. The second thing is Banggood have sent me these completely free of charge. They're meant to do with whatever I want. I can keep them, I can give them away. They've been given to me, I suppose, in some form of payment for me doing this review. One thing you will get from me, mind, you'll get an honest and fair review. I don't need to tell stories. What you see here will be the real thing. I'm not going to try and destroy them, that would be stupid, but I'm going to make them work. I'm not just going to polish some aluminium. I've got some hard steels, some air net. I've got my famous bit of stainless hexi bar. I'll give them a try on that. Anyway, I'll bring the camera in close, have a look what you get, and then we'll have a go at torturing them or testing them, whichever way you want to look at it. Right, this is the set of lathe tools. Actually, that's what I chose to review. That's just what I wanted to do, and I did need some tooling that's basically all the same. So it's a set of 16mm square tool holders in a pack of a box of tips. All the tools use the same tip. They do come in a little plastic box. But as you can see, there's marks on here. I have been using them. I've given them a good workout. I've had them for about a fortnight and I have been using them. If you watch any of my YouTube videos, you've probably seen some of the tools being used. So what I want to do is put a brand new tip in each one and give each one basically a good workout. What you've got a left hand and a right hand knife tool. Basically those two tools do the majority of your work. Then you've got a 60-degree tool and you've got a boring bar. The design of the tool, you use two corners of each tip, and there's two corners unused, but I think I have got another holder that'll use the 290s. Anyway, so I'll change the tips out, put new tips in, we'll get some material and we'll do a little bit of turning. Each tool comes with its own little Torx wrench. One thing they don't supply is any spare screws, which would be a really good idea because they are easy to lose. I'm just going to turn that tip around because it's only had one side used. Not a good fit in there, there's nothing the matter with that, it's basically standard stuff. I don't know if they've been, yeah, they're hard, they've been hardened, so it's not just, they've been hardened. I think when you price these tips up, they're actually less than £1 each for the inserts, which is really good. They also do these in a 12mm square as well, which will be more used to probably some of the modern lads. I don't know if they do 10s, but they certainly do a 12. These are 16s, and I think they do a 25 as well, or a 20. I'm going to do this right hand knife tool first because it is probably the most widely used tool for both facing and for surfacing. Okay, I'm going to set the tool up on centre height, at least roughly on centre height, this way, and then I'll face a bit of bar off and get it spot on that way. Right, I've got a piece of bright metal steel bar here, nothing fantastic. You often find that this sort of material is actually harder to get a good finish on. It tends to be a little bit chewy when it's been machined. It's going to reface the end, and at the same time I'll be able to set the the tool up exactly on centre height. It's not far away there. You can see it's not leaving any tip. Right, so that's facing the end of that bar, no problem at all. That's actually running at 1000 RPM, which is a speed I use quite a lot. I'm just going to centre drill the end of the bar, which means I can run a centre on it. I'm just going to touch the tool off. There. Put a cut on, I put a 0.5mm cut on so it takes off 1mm. And that's doing alright, it's breaking the chips quite nicely as well. Making chips 2 or 3 inches long. If you vary the feed rate, it'll change the right, so that's a reasonable finish. I'll touch it off again. Right, I'll put another mill on. So when that gets up the original cut, it'll be taking 2mm off, 1mm per side. Right, quite happy with that. Right, I've changed tools, I've put a 60-degree tool in now. Push it off. We'll give it another 0.5mm. That's breaking the chips a lot better. And when it comes out of here, I'm actually taking 2.5mm off it, 3mm off it. The chips are certainly coming off there warm. Right, this is a piece of extra stainless bar. Obviously I've slowed things down quite a lot. Interrupted cuts are what normally destroy chip tools. That's absolutely nothing the matter with that. That's taking that from hexie to round in one cut. Nothing at all the matter with that. I'll change the tools again. I'll put the right hand tool in so I can machine up to a shoulder. Right, nothing wrong with that. Still that right hand knife tool, just do a face and cut on it. Right, very happy with that. Now you got back to the 60-degree tool just to put a nice little chamfer on the end. Right, this is a piece of A&8, which is a real good grade of steel. It's lovely stuff to machine, probably my favourite steel to machine. Take some cut first. Now we just touch it off. I'll try speeding the feed up so I can get the break of chips a lot better than that. I do like nasty smooth chips. Right, that's better, you're breaking now. Nothing the matter with that. This is a left-hand knife tool which is normally used for machining away from the chuck, but it can be used Right, I've slowed things down a considerable amount. I'm just going to touch the tool off. Right, and people want to know how much they can take off. I'll take a decent cut and see what happens. Okay, so that's 0, so that's 1, 2, 2.5, so that's going to take 2.5 aside, that's 5mm cut. We'll make it a 6mm cut, so that's 1/4 inch in one go. I'll normally run coolant, but for video purposes you can't even see what's happening. Right, so when this gets up to that little pre-machine bit, it's going to be a 6mm cut. Taking that, no problem. And the lathe's making noise because it's working. Right, we'll give it another 2. This now is an 8mm cut. I'm sure it will do more, but I don't want to break anything. Right, this is the boring bar. Right, I'm sure you'll agree I've given those tools and those tips a thorough workout. The question is, would I buy them to use in my shop? Absolutely. For what they cost, they're really good value for money. I'll put a link below the title of the video if you want to buy a set or you want to have a look at a set. Follow the link, I'm sure it'll take you to the page you need. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching.